Let's make the Sea Monster Mai Tai from Kraken Rum. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Sea Monster Mai Tai from Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink, and hopefully you enjoy it on National Mai Tai Day. I do have a video on Mai Tais. Check the links down below if you want a little bit of that history. I'm not going to repeat it here for you, but it's interesting. As it is, this is Kraken Rum's version of the Mai Tai. In order to make this drink, you really should be using the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. If you're not using the Kraken Black Spiced Rum, then you may be making a Mai Tai and you may be making a Sea Monster, but you're not making the Kraken's Sea Monster Mai Tai. To make this drink, I'm going to start with my orange curacao. Half an ounce or 15 milliliters of orange curacao into my shaker tin. 3/4 of an ounce or 22.5 milliliters of fresh squeezed lime juice. 1/4 ounce or 7.5 milliliters of ginger syrup. And I do make all my syrups at home. The recipe for this will be in the description down below. And 1/4 ounce of orgeat, 1/4 ounce, 7.5 milliliters. Again, recipe will be linked down below. Get some ice, add some ice, and give it a shake. Note that I did not forget the rum. The rum is coming. So I'm going to pour this into the glass. So maybe I can get it open. And I'm going to top this with crushed ice. I have my ice, I have my crusher. I'll be right back with you. Ice crushed. I'm going to pour this into the glass until it's full-ish. Not bad. Then 2 ounces of the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. And once again, have my fingers in those little loops, which makes it very awkward. Let's grab it down here. That works better. Garnish. Garnish is going to be a sprinkle of grated nutmeg. I don't have grated, so I'm going to use ground. And some mint. Wake it up. Dip it in. And that's it. The Sea Monster Mai Tai. Drink with good spirits. I would suggest stirring before you drink, because that's a lot of rum. Question of the day, especially for you Mai Tai specialists, is this a real Mai Tai? Let me know in the comments down below. And please be polite. Note that I have t-shirts available. If you want a t-shirt, you can have one. Just contact me through the social media links down below and we'll make sure you get one. Also, if you made it this far, give me a like and a subscribe. It really helps out the algorithm so other people can find my videos. And if you turn on notifications, it'll help you know when I do a new video. Till next time, cheers.